There's a kind of curiosity that just lingers. It pops up in your mind every now and then, like a question you can't quite ignore. For me, that question was 3D printing. I've thought about it for years, imagining what it might be like, but never actually taking the leap. Until now. I finally decided to see for myself, to explore it hands-on with the Bambu Labs A1. I want to take you along as I learn and see what happens after a week of just trying. Out of the box, the printer itself feels approachable. It's compact, clean, doesn't dominate the desk, and it feels ready to go. Setup was easier than I expected. Parts are labeled clearly, and the printer comes partially assembled. You can start learning by doing almost immediately. Just poking around, seeing how everything fits together. There's a lot of joy in that curiosity. Once it's on the desk, setup walks you through leveling the bed, loading filament, and connecting to Wi-Fi. There were a few moments where I had to double check what I was doing, but nothing felt impossible. It's designed for beginners. You're encouraged to explore, make mistakes, and learn along the way. And honestly, that's the fun part. One of the things that really surprised me was how connected the whole ecosystem feels. Bambu Labs has this platform called MakerWorld, where creators and designers share the designs. Everything from practical tools to little objects you didn't know you needed until you saw them. And as a beginner, this was huge, because instead of starting from scratch, I could learn by printing things that already exist, designed by people who know what they're doing. With literally a click of a button, a design imports straight into Bambu Studio. No exporting files, no guesswork. You choose the material, hit slice, and the printer is ready. It honestly reminded me of learning photography or filmmaking early on, studying what others made, trying it myself, and slowly understanding why things worked the way they did. For someone new to 3D printing, that kind of accessibility removes friction. It lets curiosity lead the way. You see something interesting, you print it, and you learn from the result. I've only had the printer for a week, but I've already made a handful of things. Keychains, desk organizers, a little figurine. Watching them appear layer by layer is mesmerizing. Not every print was perfect. Some had small blemishes, but that's part of the process. Each one teaches you something new, and each one sparks more curiosity. 3D printing can feel intimidating, but the Bambu Labs A1 makes it approachable. Beginner-friendly setup, intuitive software, and the reward of seeing your curiosity turned into something tangible. It's really satisfying. If you've ever wondered about 3D printing, just start. Explore, experiment, and let curiosity guide you. After just a week with the Bambu Labs A1, I don't feel like I've mastered 3D printing, and that's actually the exciting part. It feels a lot like learning photography or filmmaking in the beginning. You start by following others, you experiment, you make small mistakes, and slowly you begin to understand why things work the way they do. And that's really what this whole journey has been about for me. Letting curiosity linger just long enough to finally take action, and then giving myself permission to learn along the way. If you've been sitting with that same kind of curiosity about 3D printing or anything really, this is your sign to start. Thanks for watching. I'm excited to keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.